Hi! We're in this beautiful forest and we are going to be learning colors of nature. This looks like a Christmas tree and it's also green. This is brown. This is a stump. Thump. Inside of the thump is orange. This is a granite rock and it's gray.
Is it really gonna fall?
This water is clear, but a little bit dirty. You ready? Pine cones are brown and pokey. Ha! What is brown and sticky? The answer is behind my back. A stick. Ha! Check out this white rock. How far can I throw it? Ah! Sky is blue.
All its skins, yeah, he does. I do whitey for Dallas.
Bye everybody! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys!